Hello, and a very warm welcome back to MyLingua Studio. I'm Alex, your guide, and I am so happy you decided to join me today. How are you feeling right now? Seriously, take a moment. Maybe you're on your commute, or maybe you're just enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. Wherever you are, I want you to take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Perfect. Now let's focus. Today, we are doing something different. This isn't a grammar lesson. We aren't here to memorize rules. Today, we are simply talking. This is your safe space to speak English without judgment. Our topic is one of the most personal and revealing things about a person, the morning routine. Why? Because everyone has an opinion on it, and it determines the success of your entire day. Here is how this works. I'm going to ask you the questions from this fantastic list I have, and then I'm going to leave a silence just for you. Your job is to answer me out loud. Don't worry about being perfect, just speak. After each pause, I'll share my own answer too. This way, you can compare our routines and pick up some natural phrases along the way. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's talk about that moment the alarm goes off. It's the hardest part of the day for many of us. Tell me, what is the very first thing you do within 5 minutes of waking up? Is it checking your phone, drinking water, or just staring at the ceiling? For me, it's definitely a large glass of water. I try to stay away from my phone for at least 30 minutes to keep my head clear. And be honest, are you a snooze button person or do you get up with the first alarm? I'm a first alarm person. I like to jump straight out of bed before my brain has a chance to complain. Thinking about a perfect day, what time do you naturally wake up if you don't set an alarm? Left to my own devices, I usually wake up at 8:30 a.m. There's something magical about waking up with the sun. And finally, do you sleep with your phone in the bedroom or do you leave it in another room? Actually, I leave it in the kitchen. It was a hard habit to break, but my sleep has never been better. Excellent warm-up. Now let's train your speech muscles. Repeat immediately after me, matching my speed and rhythm. I used to snooze the alarm for an hour, but now I get up right away. Again, even faster, feel the flow. I used to snooze the alarm for an hour, but now I get up right away. We're awake. Now we need fuel. I'm a coffee person, straight black, no sugar. That is a non-negotiable. What about you? What is your go-to morning beverage? Is it coffee, tea, or maybe hot water with lemon? I'm a coffee purist. Black, no sugar, and it has to be steaming hot. It's my daily fuel. And what about food? Do you eat breakfast like a king, a peasant, or not at all? Are you a planner? Do you prepare your breakfast the night before, or do you wing it every morning? I eat like a peasant, usually just a quick piece of toast or some Greek yogurt. I save the big meals for dinner. Last one for this section. Think back. What is the most bizarre breakfast you've ever had? Tell me the story. I definitely wing it. I'm not organized enough to meal prep at 11 p.m. the night before. Oh, once in Japan, I had fermented soybeans, natto. The texture was, let's just say it was an experience I won't forget. Let's talk mindset. How do you prepare your brain for a successful day? Do you have a non-negotiable morning habit like meditation or journaling? My non-negotiable is 10 minutes of light stretching or yoga. If I don't move, my back lets me know about it all day. What about information? What is your morning media diet? Do you listen to a podcast, read the news, or enjoy the silence? I prefer silence or a lo-fi beats playlist. I try to avoid the news until I've had my first coffee. Be honest with me, do you make your bed immediately or is that a future you problem? Immediately. It's my first win of the day. It makes me feel like I have my life together, even if I don't. And finally, when you know there's pressure, how do you prepare for a stressful day ahead? Do you have a specific ritual? If I'm stressed, I write down the top 3 things I must do. Breaking it down makes the giant mountain look like small hills. We're finishing strong. Let's talk about movement. Do you exercise in the morning or is that just something influencers on Instagram do? I'm a morning runner. Getting that fresh air before the rest of the world wakes up is the best feeling. And here is the big debate: shower in the morning or at night? And why is your answer the correct one? Morning shower, 100%. I need that water to shock me into reality. Thinking hypothetically, if you could outsource one part of your morning routine to a personal assistant, what would it be? I would outsource the actual getting out of bed part. Can someone just carry me to the kitchen? Finally, let's reflect. Do you think the way you start your morning determines the success of your entire day? Why or why not? I truly believe it does. If I win the morning, I usually win the day. Momentum is everything. And before I go, I have a little gift for you. I'm putting all 20 questions on the screen right now. Pause the video, take your time, and try to give even more detailed answers. Write them down or say them to your mirror. This is your homework. Practice makes perfect, and I can't wait to see your progress. I have one special question for you today. Look at number 15. Shower in the morning or at night? I've already left my answer in the comments below. Go check it out and tell me which team you are on. I'll be reading every single one. Incredible work. You just navigated a deep dive into your life, all in English. I am so proud of your hard work today. Practice this episode again and watch how your answers get longer and your confidence grows. If you loved this workout, remember to subscribe for more sessions with me. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.